Hello friends, Shushmita here, and today I write another program to show you how nested for each works. For this, first I declare a class, then I declare a main function, then I write int I equals to 1, I is less than equals to 3, I plus plus. Then the area of for I is start and I write system.out.println I equals to plus I. Then another inner loop will start j equals to I, j is less than equals to 3, j plus plus. And when in the area of j, I write system.out.println j equals to j. Then close the area of inner loop and close the area of outer loop. Then close main function and then class. Then compile the program and run the code. Now here you can see the value of while the value of I equals to 1, the j run 3 times 1, 2 and 3. Then I is 2 and then again run 3 times 1, 2, 3. Then I equals to 3 and j runs 1, 2 and 3 times. That's it for today. Hope you understand the code. See you in next video.